How to increase your Wi-Fi signal strength in your Android device. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can increase our Wi-Fi signal strength. So these are the methods you can follow up in order to do that. So for that, the thing you can do is, first of all, is move your phone closer to your router. Because sometimes the closer you are to your router, the signal will be stronger. The stronger your signal will be. And the next step you can apply up is, if that doesn't work, you can also try restarting your devices by long pressing on your power button. Also restart your router along with that. After that is done, you can also use up a Wi-Fi analyzer. You can also use up a Wi-Fi analyzer app, which is available for free into your Play Store. You can go ahead and use up that application and see your Wi-Fi frequency band and adjust it. And also ensure that your router is positioned in an open central location away from the obstructions. And if you have a larger home, consider using a Wi-Fi repeater or range extender to boost their signal in specific areas. So that is how you increase the Wi-Fi signal strength in your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.